And I ran away out of all this gray. I just went out.
Hey, it's me, Dayla. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited that you're here. We made it to Africa. And if you really want to make sure that you stay tuned, if you want to see what me and my family are doing, where we're going, how we're living, then make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you share. So not just you, but anyone that you know can be inspired. Today, we're going to go ahead and hit the beach. We're also going to walk to the store first. We're going to get some water and some fruit. And make sure that you stay tuned because we're going to talk. I'm not going to give too much, but we're going to talk a little bit at the beach today. So come with us and have a good day. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Dayla. We're going to go ahead and go to the store now. We're going to pick up some water and some fruit and things. But before we take off, I wanted to introduce you to my children if you don't already know them. This is... What's your name? This is Titus. This is Nkosino.
Kyoko.
You Charlene?
Yes, so we're out here just enjoying the sun already. You can see how sunny it is already. We're just gonna go ahead and walk to the store. So come on, come with us. Hey guys, so you can see we just decided to take a walk, you know, just loosen up our legs and enjoy the sun. As you can see, Africa is not what everyone thinks it is. It's beautiful out here. There's taxis. It honestly feels a little bit like New York, just with the people that we're familiar with, that love us and that are waiting for us to come here.
Go.
All right, guys, we finally made it to Asha. This is one of the biggest stores in Dakar, owned by the French. This is one that we've been going to really recently, and it's really helpful for when it comes to just having that same feel from transitioning from American grocery stores to this grocery store. So come on inside.
I tried to escape this crazy life, but it just wasn't the right fight. You were right. I feel love from far away. Just tell me where you wanna stay. I'll show you all my devotion. I feel love from far away. Just tell me where you wanna stay. I'll show you all my devotion. I tried to escape this crazy life, but it just wasn't the right fight. You were right. I feel love from far away. Just tell me where you wanna stay. I'll show you all my devotion. I feel love from far away. Just tell me where you wanna stay. I'll show you all my devotion.
Alright guys, so we just left the bakery, got us some delicious treats. Now we're gonna head over to York Beach. Are you guys ready? Alright, let's go. Alright, y'all ready?
Wanna stay, I'll show you all my devotion. I feel love from far away. Just tell me where you wanna stay, I'll show you all my devotion. And I ran away out of all this gray. I just went out. I tried to escape this crazy life, but it just wasn't the right fight. You were right. I feel love from far away. Just tell me where you wanna stay, I'll show you all my devotion. I feel love from far away. Just tell me where you wanna stay, I'll show you all.
Alright, so we made it to the beach. Let's go. You guys ready? Go, Jennifer.
Baru. Baru. Baru.
All right, so we are here sitting under the mom, and it's funny because we brought a blanket for no reason. This thing was $2 and we're able to be here in the shade. I'm able to set all of our things out here. We can eat out here. It's so comfortable, the breeze. And now we're gonna go out to the beach. This is our first time on the African beach. This is big, y'all. Let's go.
I tried to escape this crazy life, but it just wasn't the right fight. You were right.